Good morning, students. I am Dr. Madhuri Chatterjee, and coming to the final uh, lecture on past tense, we move on to the past perfect continuous tense now. And what are the past perfect continuous tense? You have the subject plus you have to remember had plus been. Now, been is very essential in past perfect tense. Been plus the verb, of course, any of the verb plus ing. Okay. In case of a negative sentence, you have the subject in the beginning similarly, and of course, you have to add not to it, plus had not, hadn't, so it would be had not or had not, and again, been plus ing. In case of an interrogative sentence, it would be had plus subject plus been plus ing. Now, again, the rules are almost same to describe past actions already started and which is continuing up to the action. So, the boys had been playing about an hour when it started raining, and when it started to rain, so that is one example. The second could be to express the duration before something in the past. So he needed a holiday because he had been working for past 6 months, uh, because to express the duration is a period. And third, it could be to describe the cause of something in the past. So he was tired because he had been jogging for an hour, or he had been jogging, or he had been running, or he had been walking, or whatever it is. So it to describe action, something, because what is action is running or jogging or whatever. And plus you have this had been jogging. Jog is the word plus ing. So subject plus had plus verb plus been plus verb plus ing. Okay. Then you move to the same rules, past perfect continuous tense. So you have this again this basic elementary sentences using the pronouns I have made. I had been starting, I had not been starting, and had I been starting. You had been starting, you had not been starting, had you been starting, he had been starting, she had been starting, it had been starting, had it been starting. So it's the question form, and you had been starting, hadn't you been starting, had you been starting, and finally they had been starting. So they had been being friends since childhood. Or Ram had been trying to repair the phone the whole week. Okay, he had not, that is, hadn't been reading a book, or had he been cooking any meal when she came. So again, you see a repetition of had and have been, and but been has to be put in the sentences when you make a sentence in past perfect continuous tense. And then I am leaving you with some exercises on past perfect tense. Lot of exercises. You can make the exercises yourself. So have a look. I will not be reading the exercises. And finally, coming to 20 examples, some more examples. Repeatedly, the word has been highlighted so that you understand better. We had been playing video games for 5 years. She had been cooking, and that had been watching. He had been helping. My father had been leaving. She had not been eating. He had been laughing. So you can use these, make help, take help from these, and make your own sentences. And past perfect continuous tense, you have the rules, as I said, once again repeating. You have the subject plus had been plus verb plus ing. Minus is a negative, so you have subject plus had been plus verb plus ing. And finally, the question form, had plus subject plus been plus verb plus ing. And there are a lot of exercises given. So continue with the same, continue practicing. The more you practice, the more you're going to learn and brush up your English. It would be a 5 marks question, and next I would be going in the next week to the future tense. Okay, thank you so much.